Coincheck Crypto Investment Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to Coincheck are in the description below. Let's get straight into it. Coincheck is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange based in Japan, offering a user-friendly platform for both beginners and experienced traders. It provides a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, alongside several altcoins, making it a versatile option for crypto enthusiasts. The platform supports fiat to crypto trading, allowing users to deposit and withdraw in Japanese yen, which is a major advantage for users based in Japan or those dealing with the yen. For international users, Coincheck also supports USD trading pairs and global deposits via cryptocurrency. The platform is highly regarded for its simplicity, offering an intuitive interface with easy navigation for users at all levels. Coincheck provides both a web-based platform and mobile app for on-the-go trading, giving users flexibility in managing their investments. The platform also supports both basic and advanced trading features, catering to casual investors and more experienced traders looking for detailed charting tools and analysis options. Security is a major focus for Coincheck, which uses robust measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage to protect user assets. While Coincheck faced a major hack in 2018, it has since significantly strengthened its security protocols, and it remains one of Japan's most trusted platforms. The fees on Coincheck are competitive, especially for fiat deposits and withdrawals, with minimal charges for most transactions. However, trading fees can be a bit higher compared to other exchanges, particularly for smaller trades. Despite this, the ease of use, security, and variety of supported assets make it an appealing choice for many users. In conclusion, Coincheck is an excellent option for Japanese crypto investors or anyone looking for a simple, secure platform to trade popular cryptocurrencies. Its focus on user experience, combined with a solid reputation and secure features, makes it a great choice for both beginners and more advanced traders. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details.